If you want to enhance your productivity as you browse through your emails, you can do just that. Sometimes, you might not have the time to open each email to understand what it's about. Luckily, Gmail's reading pane allows you to preview your emails without having to open them, and at any moment, you can have this feature enabled or disabled. Here, we'll show you how to manage the feature. Click on the settings gear in the top right corner of the page. Select See All Settings. Go to the Inbox section. Scroll down, check the box next to Enable Reading Pane. Scroll down and select Save Changes. In the top right corner of Gmail, click on the drop-down arrow next to the Toggle Split Pane Mode icon. Choose between vertical split and horizontal split. Your decision will be based on whether you want your reading pane to appear on the right side of the inbox page or on the bottom half of the page. Viewing emails from the reading pane helps you avoid having to open a new page for an email that you could have skimmed through in seconds. Thanks for watching.